On the right side of your screen, I just want to flag, that's Naples, Florida. We're getting this new video in. You've seen it on a loop here, but I think that's coming from Fire and Rescue. It looked like it was their facilities.
Yeah, and you can see the fire truck here, and we've been told they're not going out to try to help people. So this is water coming in to one of the fire vehicles there, we believe, at one of the stations. And this, I think, speaks to the difficulty that first responders are going to have in the hours and days to come. They've got to dry this thing out and make sure it's able to run before they can go out to try to help anybody. And the water is obviously waist deep.
Yeah, it's a really stunning video.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.